Good morning, students. Today let us start our class with the lesson Jackie and the Bear. It is an edited version of the story A Tent in Agony by Stephen Crane. Stephen Crane was an American poet, novelist, and short story writer. This is a humorous story about four men who went for a pleasure trip. Let us go through the chapter in detail. It was the perfect place to pitch a tent on a pine cloth ridge of a hill with a view of the lake below. Fishing, trekking, stargazing, and other fun activities were on their list. The cousins settled in to enjoy the evening around a campfire with Veer playing the guitar and Karan, Jackie, and Samir singing songs. Here, four men named Veer, Karan, Jackie, and Samir went on a trip to enjoy. When they reached on a hill full of pine trees and with a view of the lake below, they thought to pitch a tent there. It was a marvelous place. Okay, and what were the names of the young men? Veer, Karan, Jackie, and Samir. They liked that place so much. In their list, they planned fishing, trekking, stargazing, and some other fun activities also. In the evening, they made a campfire and Veer played guitar, and Karan and Jackie and Samir started to sing songs. They all enjoyed the evening a lot there. Okay. 2 mornings later, the boys realized they were down to the last of the nuts and instant noodles they had brought. They had not imagined they would run out of supplies so quickly. After 2 days, they realized that they had nothing to eat. So they had to go for the supplies to the nearby farmhouse. Here supplies means food. Jackie, the second youngest, volunteered to stay and hold the camp while the remaining 3 went to Rimbak, a little country farmhouse that kept supplies for trekkers on their way up to Pelling. Karan suggested moving to another site, but Jackie was adamant. He would keep watch until they returned with the supplies. The 3 young men went to Rimbak. Who? Veer, Karan, and Samir. They went to Rimbak. Rimbak means a little country farmhouse. For what? For collecting the supplies. Karan told them to go another site where they could get the supplies easily. But Jackie was not ready. Adamant. Adamant means not willing to change mind. Jackie was not ready to change their place, and he told them he would keep watch or look after the tent until they returned with the supplies. There is only one of you. Get a monster tin to entertain you, they said jokingly. Come back soon, he shouted after them as they disappeared down the hill. It was now late afternoon and there was still no sign of them. With nothing to do but wait, Jackie lit a campfire. Every now and then he fed it logs. Suddenly he heard the approach of the unknown, crackling the twigs and rustling the dead leaves. And Jackie was not ready to go with them, and he was not ready to change the place also. So his friends jokingly said that there is only one of you. Get a monster tin to entertain you. And Jackie told them to come back soon. Jackie was sitting and taking care of the tent, and it was late afternoon until his friends did not come back. He was waiting, and sometimes he became nervous. Then Jackie lit the campfire, and all time he was feeding the log into it. He heard the sound of crackling the twigs and the sound of dead leaves, and the sound was approaching to him. Jackie rose slowly to his feet, his knees a little wobbly. "Ha!" he bellowed menacingly. A growl replied, and a bear paced into view. Jackie supported himself upon a stick and regarded his visitor. Jackie became panicked. What was there? A big bear, and it was coming to him. Jackie supported himself upon a stick and regarded his visitor. Jackie took one stick to beat his visitor. Here, who was the visitor? Visitor was the bear. The bear was evidently a veteran and a fighter, for the black of his coat had become tawny with age. There was confidence in his gait and arrogance in his small twinkling eyes. He rolled back his lips and disclosed his white teeth. The fire magnified the red of his mouth. The bear was also a veteran. Veteran means a person who has had a long experience in a particular field. And a fighter also. He was a fighter also. He was expert in this field. And his back was brownish yellow in color. That showed its age. Tawny. Tawny means brownish yellow in color. It shows the age of the bear. Okay. It was an aged one, but still he had the courage to fight. Sometimes it showed its teeth and rolled back his lips, and its mouth was red in the fire, and it was ready to attack Jackie. And what was the condition of Jackie? Jackie was so much scared, and he took one stick to beat the bear. Jackie had never been so terrified. "Ha!" he roared. The bear interpreted this as a challenge. He approached warily. As he came near, fear gripped Jackie. He cried out and then darted around the campfire. Jackie had never been so terrified. First time he was seeing a bear in front of him, and the bear was not scared. It was coming near to him, and as he came near, fear gripped Jackie, and he was so much panic, and he cried out. Then he darted around the campfire. Okay. Darted means ran, and warily means carefully, cautiously, etc. As the bear came near to him, he ran around the campfire. Okay. The bear seemed to be amused. "Oh, this thing won't fight. It runs. Well, let's catch it then," said the bear to himself. The bear started going around the campfire. Jackie shrieked and ran furiously. Twice around they went. The bear was catching up. Then what happened? The bear seemed to be amused. It became surprised because bear thought Jackie would come and start to fight. What he was doing? But he was running fast. So it thought that it is very easy to catch him. Okay. And the bear started going around the campfire, and the Jackie shrieked. Shrieked means screamed. Okay. He was screaming, crying in a loud voice. In a loud voice he was crying and ran furiously. Furiously means in an extremely angry manner. 2 times they round the campfire. After that, the bear was going to catch him up. In desperation, Jackie flew into the tent. The bear stopped and sniffed at the entrance. and he scented the scent of many men. Finally, he ventured in. Jackie lost his hope and he flew into the tent. The bear was also following him, and the bear stopped and sniffed at the entrance. Why? Because he scented the scent of many men. He felt that many men were inside the tent. He was in a doubt, and after that, finally he ventured in. Ventured means moved in. Now Jackie was inside the tent, and the bear was also entering inside the tent. Students, hope you have understood today's lesson. Let us learn the remaining part of this chapter in our next class. Okay.